Hi, I'm Jason Wigboldy with Rodenhouse Inc. and today we're on site for the 2019 New American Home project being built in Henderson, Nevada, just off the Las Vegas Strip. This beautiful home is being built by Sunwest Custom Homes and is going to be featured at the 2019 International Builders Show. Rodenhouse Inc. was fortunate to work with Owens Corning Insulation on this project to provide the insulation fasteners to attach the Owens Corning Foamular as a continuous layer of insulation. The Owens Corning Foamular extruded polystyrene insulation is being attached over a layer of DuPont Tyvek stucco wrap. The insulation, which is 2 inches thick, is being attached with our 1 3/4 diameter Plasti-Grip CI prong washer with Grip-Deck ceramic-coated high-low thread screws. These fasteners are being placed on about a 24-inch vertical by 16-inch horizontal spacing to tack up the Foamular insulation. And the washers, as you see, compress nicely and flat on the surface of the insulation, which provides for flush mounting of the lath. The lath that's being utilized in this project is unique and from Mortar Net Solutions. The product is called Lath Net and is actually Clark Dietrich expanded metal lath that's been integrated with a drainage channel. This fibrous mesh that you see on the back side of the lath creates a continuous drainage plane for any moisture that might migrate through the stucco or stone veneer and provides a continuous drainage channel for water to wick down through the bottom of the wall system. The lath net is being attached on this project utilizing grip plate lath and plaster washers and Grip-Deck ceramic-coated high-low thread screws. The fastening pattern on this project is helped determined by the data compiled by the Foam Sheathing Coalition that determines the amount of pounds per square foot of cladding weight that can be attached over different thicknesses of insulation. On this project, the spacing of 6 inches vertical by 16 inches horizontal for the stucco portions of the wall is being utilized. And where stone veneer is being adhesively applied or adhered to the stucco base coat, we're utilizing a 4-inch vertical by 16-inch horizontal fastener pattern.
With the cocoon of the XPS board, with all the fasteners from Rodenhouse, we've made the house that much more airtight and secure for the future homeowners that purchase these homes.
To learn more about the New American Home project, be sure to check out the website shown here. If you'd like to learn more about our fastening solutions from Rodenhouse Inc., check out www.rodenhouse-inc.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.